Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A13 5G, and this phone is showing too many notification and advertisements from Google Chrome. So how to remove advertisement from Google Chrome? And you can just reset the Google Chrome by these settings. In order to do that, you can get into the settings. In the settings you will find apps. In the apps you can find Google Chrome. I'm going to scroll down to Google Chrome. This is your Google Chrome, and this Google Chrome is taking 359 MBs. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say clear cache, and it's done. Manage storage. Here you can see 1.7 GB unimportant data. So this is definitely something wrong here. So what we're going to do, we're going to say clear all and delete the app data, and then you can see it's only sitting with 354 MB right now, the Google Chrome. The total storage the Google Chrome is taking, it's 354. So that was definitely the Google Chrome settings was not right, and now you won't find any more advertisements and notification from Google Chrome, and that's how you fix Google Chrome. Thank you.